Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to schedule a meeting through Google Meet. So let's get started. First things first, you want to head over to this website, docs.google.com. Now, from here, you're going to click on the 9 dots next to your profile picture at the top right. Then, you want to click on Calendar. Once you're here, you're going to click on Create on the left-hand side of your screen. Then, you'll be given 3 options: Event, Task, and Appointment Schedule. What you want to do is you want to click on Event. Alright, now, first you're going to add a title to your event. For example, I'm going to put Class. Once you're done with the title, you can move on to the bottom here. Here, you can set the date and time of the meeting. I'm just going to put a random date here as an example, as well as the time. Now moving on down here, we have a couple more features like this all day and as well as time zone next to it. Here you can set the time zone for the meeting or event, and there's plenty of options, of course. I'm just going to leave it as is for now. And after that, we also have this option, which you can set how many times you want this meeting or event to apply. But anyway, enough of these other features. We're going to go to our main feature, which is Add Google Meet. So you're just going to click on that, and once it's done, you will click on Got It, and you will be given a link below it, which you can send to your guests and they can join using that link. There's more options at the bottom, but I'm not going to tackle them for now. Anyway, all you have to do now is hit save. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.